Hi there, I'm Aaron Armstrong and welcome back to another K-Wall tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Accorbis and adding the colored icons grid to a landing page. So to start, let's go to our content tab, and from here we can either create a new landing page by clicking add content, but for the sake of our demo, we're going to edit an existing landing page. From here, we're going to go to the main content tab, which is where our layout paragraphs exist on landing pages. And here we have the option to either add a component to an existing section, or for the sake of our demo, we're going to go ahead and click Add Section and create a new one. We're going to keep this as a one column layout, and we'll put it in a container. Now we'll click Save. From here, we have the ability to add the component that we want, and then we're going to click the third one here, the Colored Icons Grid. The heading field at the top is going to be an H2 that appears above all of the list of gridded icons that are in colored boxes. So Aaron's colored icon grid. From here, we have the ability to select a SVG icon if we want that in the inside of the icon, or we could choose from the Font Awesome library. And from if we go a little lower, we can see the background color for the icon itself, or for the grid, and the link and link text. So let's go ahead and see if we have any SVGs that are uploaded. Right now it's empty, so let's start by just using Font Awesome. And let's see, what do we want to look? Let's look for a book. We'll use the book icon. We will give it a new background color. This background color picker has colors that are pre-selected from your theme, which you can use. But you can also use the color picker here, or fill in the hex color directly if you know what the hex color you want is. And then from here, I'm going to give it a URL and Aaron's link. And then I'm going to click add icon link, and we'll do that another 1 or 2 times so that we can see the difference between the different icons as well as the different background colors. So from here, let's do maybe laptop. And we will choose a different color and another link. And we'll give it one final one so that we have a few in here that we can see the difference for each. And again, you could be selecting media and uploading your own SVG icon if you have them. Maybe you have your own library that you like to utilize. If not, Font Awesome is always available. And maybe we'll do phone. And from here, we'll select a purple. And last, link. Once you've created all of your icons and you're happy with your configuration and your options that you've selected, let's click Save. You'll immediately get to see approximately what things are going to look like, but let's go ahead and click Save, and so that we can fully see what things will look like on the front end. And we'll view our page. And from here, you can see we have our list of gridded icons. The entire icon is clickable based on the link you created. The link text is below the icon, and each icon has the background